3, 2, 1.
Organize puzzle pieces. How would you do this? The answer is A. Store in empty baby wipe container. Which college did Gilmore Girls character Rory attend after much debate over its pros and cons? The answer is B. Yale. When was Henry Roman II crowned? The answer is B. 1216. Which sequence correctly shows the levels of organization for structure and function in a human? The answer is A. Cell tissue organ system. When did the European Space Agency launch its first successful rocket, Ariane I? The answer is A. 1979. How did they feel about their kid's behaviors? The answer is C. They were proud of them. Why did the narrator decide to head to the coffee shop? The answer is C. To escape their boredom. Which is the next prime number that is greater than 90? The answer is D. 97. When did Ariel Sharon become Prime Minister? The answer is D. 2001. Which of these is characteristic of an oblique aerial photograph? The answer is C. Center foreground. What year did Gladstone first get to power? The answer is C. 1892. Which discovery was necessary before radio could be invented? The answer is C. Electricity. How did we feel when Mom broke her leg? The answer is C. We were scared out of our minds. When was United States v. Limacchia contested? The answer is A. 1994. The name Monaco was given to the city in the 6th century by the Greeks who called it Monoikos. What does it mean? The answer is A. Single house. Aside from the larger ports, roughly how many other organized ports are there? The answer is D. 120. The words "I used to do drugs," "I still do," but "I used to" belong to which of these stand-up comedians? The answer is B. Mitch Hedberg. What kind of person is this New York City police officer? The answer is C. Aggressive and menacing. If the mother of a boy spanks him and then his father comes and does the same, who hurts the most? The answer is A. The boy. Which organism belongs in the kingdom Protista? The answer is D. Paramecium. Who used to be the patron saint of travelers? The answer is B. St. Christopher. Joe had 29 pairs of socks. How many socks did he have? The answer is A. 58. What has the burning of fossil fuels increased in the atmosphere? The answer is C. Carbon dioxide. What is the name of Tim's wife on the sitcom Home Improvement? The answer is D. Jill. In what year was the highly acclaimed film Ben-Hur released? The answer is C. 1959. How many kindergarten classes were there? The answer is B. 89. Why is the narrator legally in trouble? The answer is A. They are speeding. From which season/episode of The Shield is the music in the sound clip? The answer is C. Season 5, Episode 10. Several short outdoor scenes of various types of activities at a recreation area are displayed. A woman talks to the camera. A man. What happens next? The answer is A. Talks to a woman. Stay asleep without distractions. How would you do this? The answer is A. Point digital clock toward you. Magnesium bromide is one of the most abundant compounds found in sea water. Which formula correctly represents magnesium bromide? The answer is B. MgBr2. What is the term for the energy of motion, which is exhibited by the speed of an object?
The answer is C. Kinetic energy.
Splendid lunch, but now I need a nap. Before we go, can you tell me which of these towns does not exist? The answer is D. Barclay, me. In the Christmas episode of Newhart, who comes to the inn the day after Christmas? The answer is B. The Three Weissmans. In It's a Mad, 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 Mad World, how much money did Smiler hide? The answer is A. $350,000. In what year did Jerome die? The answer is C. 420. How did the teacher end up helping the student? The answer is C. They bumped their grade up. We see a boy opening a box in a car. The boy puts on his jump stilts and helmet. The boy, what happens next? The answer is B. Walks around the parking lot. What hurricane made landfall in South Florida on Friday, August 13, 2004? The answer is D. Charlie. In what year did Lord Hailsham become a senior politician? The answer is D. 1939. Rio de Janeiro won its bid to host the 2016 Summer Olympics. What other cities were on the shortlist? The answer is A. Chicago, Madrid, and Tokyo. What is the cause of most ocean waves? The answer is D. Winds. Which of the following is most responsible for the decay of dead organisms? The answer is C. Microorganisms. When was multi-zone metering introduced? The answer is B. 2006. How many people attended the 2003 IPCC meeting? The answer is C. 350. When was the settlement which would become Warsaw established? The answer is A. 1300. How do you reflect something? How would you do this? The answer is A. Put a reflector in front of it. Which 2003 movie, written and directed by Chris Rock, starred Bernie Mac as Chris Rock's brother? The answer is A. Head of State. What is the low level of radiation that occurs naturally in the environment called? The answer is B. Background radiation. When was FAGSPA script invented?